Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you to top 4 ways to fix iPhone 11, 12 and 13 camera not working. First, make sure that your iPhone isn't physically blocked by a case. Method 1. Force close the camera app. Swipe upward from the bottom edge of the screen. Swipe right or left through the list of running apps and find the app you want to quit. Now any app by simply swiping up on its card. Method 2. Turn off voiceover. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on voiceover. Toggle off the voiceover tab. Go back to the home screen and tap to open camera app again. Method 3. Long press the camera button. Open camera app. Long press the camera button when image get focused. Leave the capture button and your image will be stored. This is a quick fix that you can use while you are in hurry. Method 4. Reset all settings. Firstly, go to Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen and tap the Transfer or Reset and tap on Reset. Here, click on Reset all settings. After that, enter your passcode of your iPhone. Then tap on Reset all settings to confirm your action. So like the video before leaving, subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.